Maxus is a British brand with a legacy of building affordable and reliable cargo and passenger vans. Taken over by SAIC, Shanghai Automobile and Industrial Corporation, China's largest automotive manufacturing group, Maxus continues the legacy of offering vans for passengers or cargo, well loved in many parts of the world. Since 2019, Maxus has been looking to include the Philippines among markets that love its vans. Among its van offerings is the Maxus V80 Comfort. At 4,950mm long, 1,998mm wide, and 2,132mm tall, the Maxus V80 is among the larger, wider, and taller options in its segment. The V80 Comfort also has, at 3,100mm, among the longest wheelbase in the segment and price position Maxus chose for the 13-seater passenger van. Despite featuring the classic rectangular box and short nose look for vans, the V80 manages to cut a distinctive presence on the road with a design that serves both function and elegant aesthetic. The front windshield is expansive. The front door windows, already with a low belt line, also slope downward. The power-adjustable side view mirrors are large and come with blind spot views. All these help provide good all-around visibility for the driver. The sharp-looking halogen headlights are large and come integrated with daylight running lights and turn lamps. Also helping provide good visibility at night are front and rear fog lamps. The stepboard automatically extends outward when a door is slid open for easier ingress into the V80, which sits relatively high off the ground. The V80 cabin is among the roomiest in its segment, offering more than enough space for 13 full-size adults including driver. The seats are well cushioned and upholstered in soft fabric. Up front is a driver's seat that manually adjusts 8 ways and comes with an armrest, and 2 passenger seats with good elbow and leg room. On the second row are 3 individual seats that recline individually. The third row also features 3 seats that recline individually, one on the right, separated by a narrow aisle from 2 continuous ones on the left. The aisle allows easy passage into the fourth row with individual seats for 4 that also recline. All passengers have enough room to stretch legs underneath the seats in front of them. There's good space for luggage and other cargo can be slid underneath the fourth row seats. The backrest of the fourth row seats also fold to provide space for more cargo. The instrument cluster is found at the center of the dashboard. Also found in the center are the manual rotary controls for the air conditioning system that features lots of air vents for the rear passengers. The V80 also comes with an audio system with a radio tuner, aux-in and USB port, Bluetooth connection, and plays through 4 speakers. Underneath the short hood of the Maxus V80 is a 2,499cc 4-cylinder turbo CRDI diesel engine that generates a maximum of 136 horsepower at 3,800 revolutions per minute and 330 Nm of torque from 1,800 to 2,600 RPM. The engine is mounted transversely and sends power to the front wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission. Having the instrument cluster in the center takes a bit of getting used to, but the low dashboard and high seat position provide great visibility of the road. The manual shifter is well placed on the dashboard just to the right of the steering wheel. The 4-spoke steering wheel is angled like those for large trucks, but a comfortable driving position is easily found with the 8-way adjustable driver's seat. Front-wheel drive makes the V80 quite nimble and easy to maneuver for a van of its size, helped along by the hydraulic power-assisted steering. The suspension system features front McPherson struts and independent parallel leaf springs in the rear and tuned for more comfort. More than adequate stopping power comes from a brake system using discs on all 4 wheels and ventilated in front. The V80 also comes with anti-lock brake system and electronic brake force distribution. For safety, the V80 Comfort is equipped with driver and front seat airbags, 3-point seat belts for driver and front seat passengers, and 2-point seat belts for those in the rear seats. Added for security is an immobilizer.